It's right. Well, I'm look so rough. I look rough. It's Friday. It's Friday, guys. It is Friday. We are finished with school. It is currently after 3, and I just finished my last class of the day. So closing down the lappy. We're gonna put it up. I'll put them up till later because I have some stuff to do. Well, I have a movie to watch with Sean later. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, we're starting the don't mind my face and don't mind my hair. I'm gonna wash this in a few. Yeah. So we're starting off the weekend vlog. We're gonna start off with cleaning, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. I have young adult fellowship at, I don't remember what time. I think at 5:30 or 6. I don't remember, but one of those times. So I have that. Right now I'm just going to put away all my school stuff for now, and then we're gonna grab the music and go clean. I was gonna wash, but I don't think I'm able to wash today because I'm tired. So yeah, so just clearing up this school stuff, and I need my sheets were washed today, so my beds are empty, so I need to find a sheet for today. So yes, I need to find a sheet for that. Packing up this thing here. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. I've wiped like pretty much everywhere, so the house is clean. Alright guys, so they didn't come for church, so I did not go to any church. So I'ma make my bed, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair and shower. So I just pull out the plaits. This is what it looks like. It's not too bad looking, not gonna lie. This could be a look if it wasn't so dry at the ends and whatever. Let me know, could it be a look? Anyways, I'm gonna find my sheet for my bed, and then yeah. All right guys, so they finally came, so I'm gonna go. So as I was about to go and bathe, you know, they came, so we're gonna go here. No stairwell, but oh well.
I mean, if you want to go, you want to go elsewhere, because
so sassy with me, like
Vlogging is supposed to have everything. These things. No. So guys, I'm setting up the movie date for me and my sister. Let's grab myself some socks so it can be cozy. Don't know why my jaw looks like so, but ignore, just ignore. Anyways, so we're gonna watch the movie on our lappy and just chill. I'll put down like some pillows and blankets and whatnot. So she's here. My date is finally here. Movie date. So yes, she's vlogging too. So guys, miss sweats and we're kind of just weird.
all right, so it's movie Friday night with Kush and my BFF. Date, my long
guys, it's this simple to have a date.
my forever date.
You just need like
Look, so weird. So I was told to carry a stuffed animal, which is Kush, my man, a pillow, and my comforter.
Yeah.
The eggs out, so I'm about to put it
All right, let me set up these things down at the area.
on. Bought this from AK Nation. Alright guys. Oh,
Look at vlogger.
I am so thrilled.
If y'all want to date me, just hit me up. You know, I can do this for y'all.
Nobody ever done this for me but my sister.
In a lot of ways, Seabrook's moved on since then. But it's hard to bury your past.
Alright guys, so it is 9:40 something right now, and the movie just ended, and Chanik says she liked it. It's my second time watching it, so great. So just clearing up, and then we're gonna go to bed, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog, in tomorrow's part of this vlog. Bye. Good morning guys, so it is 9:25 a.m. and I'm just getting up. I'll wake up from probably about after 7, but whenever I get up. But anyways, I'm having my porridge. Kind of cool. I'm gonna climb to get up, but we are up. Kind of in a room. So yes, we're having our porridge in our Starbucks cup. So hey guys, how y'all doing? I don't know what I have planned for today. I know I have some work to mark. I have some tri-weeklies to mark. And like I have two gaming videos to edit. And then I want to play some more Sims today, so I don't know what's gonna happen today, but we're gonna see. You're gonna come along with me for the weekend vlog. Anyways, how are y'all doing? You know, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. How are you doing? Also, let me know in the comments down below what you did for your weekend. I'm curious. I want to know. I'm fast bad. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this, and then I'm gonna make my bed and see what can happen with my life after this. So yeah. Done. So yes, I'm gonna charge my phone because it needs to be charged, and yeah, so I made my bed and everything, so ready for the day. So I finished packing out. I'm gonna bake in a few. I have banana ready to bake, and I wanted to bake some sugar cookies, so I'm gonna bake that today. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna have island grill for lunch. So daddy did not eat his sandwich because he said it's spicy, so I'm gonna eat it for him. Yeah, he start eating but he says spicy, so that part I don't want to mix up the fries. Oh, so you're not getting any of mine.
Yeah, I have fries.
Can I eat up all of it? What? Hold on. My sister being nice. Oh, cute. Anyways, guys, I was trying to avoid using the mixer, but the cookies they needed. So
Go outside, do a mix.
I'll have to go outside and like just combining things and then go outside and then mix it up and stuff. So alright guys, so the burger kind of burned up, but oh well. It's still tasty.
Shanakay, burning up.
And she burning up. Anyway, so I'm gonna have this for lunch and then I'm gonna go and do this. So yeah. Yay, guys, it's ready.
It's ready. No, I'm ready.
So we have the first set of cookies inside here. So time for it to come out, but yeah, yes. Alright guys, so I finished baking. Right now I'm gonna actually play some Sims until time for a fellowship. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm eating one of the cookies. I just wanted to try it, so it's actually really soft. Nice, so.
I know what the angel did.
Hi guys, so it's like way later. Excuse the lighting in my room. My room lighting is always terrible. Anyways, so don't mind the hair either. I didn't get to wash my hair, so my hair still hasn't been washed as yet. So that I might have to do tomorrow or sometime in this week. I did eat dinner. I was, what do you call that? I was blending some soursop for juice. I did that. Then I ate dinner. Then after dinner, I kind of rested a little, like let my food digest. And then, no, actually I went and rest first. Then I ate. And then I went and washed the plates. Then I went and showered. And right now I am setting up my classes. So that is what is happening for this night. Afterwards, I think I'm gonna probably try and mark. I need to make a answer sheet for the tests that I did last week. I also need to mark some books, and then I'm gonna watch some more YouTube. Don't think I'm gonna play any games tonight. I want to, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna lie down.